Yo, what's up, Diamond family? It's your man Vivi, and welcome back to VVS Sound. As you guys know, I'm here every week dropping off gems, teaching you to record and mix your music better. So if that sounds good to you, look, man, stick around. So look, I got a really crazy video for you guys today. I'm going to show you guys everything you need to do to get your song ready to mix it. All right, so there's 3 steps that I always follow before I start mixing a song. I'm going to show you guys what they are and how to get your song sound A1 every time. So look, we're using our free template that's down below. If you don't have a Pro Tools template and you need one, check out our free template down below, man. It's going to completely change the way that you record, completely change the way that you mix your songs immediately. It's going to give you great results time after time. All right, so pick that up. Let's dive into it. The first thing that I say that you do, the first thing that I do when I'm about to mix a song, especially if I didn't record it, is listen to it. I can't stress this enough. Listen through to the song. Listen to it all the way through, catch the vibe, and start to kind of feel what the song feels like. Get a tone, figure out the tone of the song, kind of develop a plan for your mix, all right? So let's listen through a little bit of the song and see what it sounds like.
And me vibing, swimming with the fishes. Anything she wanted, know I get it. Bought a burger bag, now babe, let's take some pictures. Heard the ops is plotting, bruh, it's time to rock. Kippy told me, Lalo, bruh, it's time to roll. On the highway, ballin', swerving in that race. Cause we cannot let them catch us with them poles. If they stop us, fucking shoot out life or death.
Okay, cool. So I kind of get a feel. Again, I would listen through the whole song if I weren't, making a video for you guys. So the first step is always to listen all the way through. The second step, we got to go through and we got to clean up, man. If you guys know anything about painting, like if you're painting a car or painting a house or anything like that, you got to get the surface ready before you can just pour paint on. You can't just dump paint on the thing. So you got to sand it down and get a smooth, fresh, clean surface to start with. And so that's what we're going to do. We're going to go in and dig out any of this dead space that we see, any of the just open air, breaths, things like that, like before they're starting, or if there's any uns or uhs right before they punch in. We want to make sure that we're cleaning up as much of that as possible, just so that when we start to compress and turn things up and everything gets more present and more pushed out front, we don't want any of those things to interfere or stand out too much in the song or in the recording. So I'm just going through anything that I see that doesn't look 100% necessary. I'm going ahead and cutting, and I'm fading things, and then when I'm done, I'm just going to listen to the section I just cleaned up and see what it sounds like.
Burger bag, now babe, let's take some pictures. Heard the ops is plotting, bruh, it's time to rock. Kippy told me, Lalo, bruh, it's time to roll. On the highway, ballin', swerving in that race. Cause we cannot let them catch us with them poles. If they stop us, fucking shoot out life or death. Cause I know they...
Perfect. So as you can hear, it's very subtle, but again, I tell you guys this every week. Mixing is just a lot of subtle moves that compound to make a really finished product. Okay, so the first step, listen straight through everything. Make sure you get a feel for the song. Make sure you get a vibe for it. Start to develop a plan for your mix. How do you want this to sound? What kind of vibe are you going for? The second thing you want to do is go in and clean up any problems that you have, any clicks, pops, mouth noise, stutters, anything like that you need to get rid of. Another thing I like to do, specifically if a song wasn't recorded here at VVS, is I'll go into the audio suite and I'll go to my noise reduction programs, and I use the breath control from RX. I use the D-Click, I use the D-Clip. I'll use really all of these, and I'll just run them through the entire vocal just to make sure that everything is as smooth and as clean and as blank of a canvas as possible. I'll really do it a lot of times for vocals that were recorded here at VVS as well, just so that we're starting from the most cleanest position possible. All right, so we've listened back, we've cleaned up all of our issues. Now the next thing that we want to do is go ahead and get a balance going. Before you add any plugin, before you tweak any plugin, before you turn anything, make sure that you have a good balance between your vocal and your beat. So let's bring up the mixer. And the beauty of using any of our templates, our free template or any of our instant mix templates or whatever, is that you get these 2 faders at the end, the all vox and the music bus, and you can balance all your vocals and all of your instruments with these 2 faders. So let's work on that a little bit. Make sure we're getting a good balance, we're not clipping, and that will be the final step to prepare us to mix the song.
Burger bag, now babe, let's take some pictures. Heard the ops is plotting, bruh, it's time to rock. Kippy told me, Lalo, bruh, it's time to roll. On the highway, ballin', swerving in that race. Cause we cannot let them catch us with them poles. Burger bag, now babe, let's take some pictures. Heard the ops is plotting, bruh, it's time to rock. Kippy told me, Lalo, bruh, it's time to roll. On the highway, ballin', swerving in that race. Cause we cannot let them catch us with them poles. Burger bag, now babe, let's take some pictures. Heard the ops is plotting, bruh, it's time to rock. Kippy told me, Lalo, bruh, it's time to roll. On the highway, ballin', swerving in that race. Cause we cannot let them catch us with them poles. Burger bag, now babe, let's take some pictures. Heard the ops is plotting, bruh, it's time to rock. Kippy told told me, Lalo, bruh, it's time to roll. On the highway, ballin', swerving in that race. Cause we cannot let them catch us with them poles. And they working bad, now Bailey.
As you can see, that's just a static mix, right? It already sounds loud. It's already punchy. Our momentary lufts are already a -8. Like, we're really getting some good volume from the track just from a static mix. Now, you guys know instant mix will definitely take that to the next level. I'm going to load in the mix bus, load in the master bus, see what we got, and really, man, show you that it's really that easy. So let me go ahead and get this mix bus in here. All right, bet. So we got that loaded in. Let's try to go over to the arrange window. Let's see what it sounds like with the mix and master bus. Play back.
Anything she wanted, know I get. Bought a burger bag, now Bailey, let's take some pics. Heard the ops is plotting, bruh, it's time to rock. KB told me, Lalo, bruh, it's time to roll. On the highway, ballin', swerving in that race. Cause we cannot let them catch us with them poles. And they stop us, fucking shoot out life or death. Cause I know they trying to send me down that road. Illis glizzy's bodies, each on every stick. If they back me, know I'm never coming home. Set a reminder, I had to.
And there it is, man. If we want to get a little bit more volume out of it, of course, I go with the FGX. I just boost this up a couple dB.
Anything she wanted, know I get. Bought a burger bag, now Bailey, let's take some pics. Heard the ops is plotting, bruh, it's time to rock. KB told me, Lalo, bruh, it's time to roll. On the highway, ballin', swerving in that race. Cause we cannot let them catch us with them poles. And they stop us, fucking shoot out life or death.
Simple as that, man. Look, if you want to be able to mix your songs instantly, you got to pick up Instant Mix. It's right down below. It's really going to change the way your songs sound instantly. Look, man, remember, my name is VV. Stay humble, make diamonds only. Peace.